Mr. Young here, just a quick video on sketching circles, sketching circuits for engineering science. Sketching circles, what am I on? I was doing a graphics video earlier, so I've got that stuck in my head. So sketching circuits, just a wee first bit on series and parallel. When I'm asking people to draw maybe things in series, what I'm meaning by that, if it's a switch or maybe 2 or 3 switches, switches like that. In a series one, if it's in a series, it's just one joined onto another one. It could be round a corner as well, by the way. So in series, they're just kind of linked together, like that. So it can be round like that, so they're all kind of linked together in series. It could be the same with a lamp, doesn't really matter. Lamps in series or a lamp and a lamp linked together just like that. And that's what I mean by when we're talking about maybe doing it in series or in parallel. So in parallel, how's that different from series? Well, you still got your switch symbol. The symbols are still the same. However, they're kind of parallel to each other, so they run in the same direction, but they may look something like that, and the rest of the circuit can take place over here. Same with a lamp. Okay, almost put that in a series way. So that again is a lamp in parallel, one above the other. It could be this way as well, actually. One there and one there. So anything that I've said put in parallel is going to look in kind of this way, and then this might link into a battery or something like that. Okay, so that's how you're going to link things in parallel, so one above the other or next to each other like that, or in series they're just kind of linking together even if it goes round the corner. And it's up to you. Sometimes it's not been in the wording of the assignment or the task, it's not said put them round the corner. If you do this in a series way, it's fine, it's okay. Put a wee dot there. Right, so let's get a wee example here. So build a circuit with a battery, 2 lamps in parallel, and 2 switches in series. Okay, you might have found it, might come across that. So battery, again, you can put it anywhere. You can put it at the top if you want. I'm going to put my battery here. Doesn't really matter. Like that. Okay, and then we've got, maybe make it a little bit longer. Then 2 lamps in parallel and 2 switches in series. So the way I'm going to work it is just ticking off the ones I've got here. And I suppose you can always put the switches on the outside here. And we'll probably end up doing something like that. So I might end up doing a switch here second, and then putting my lamps in parallel like that. So you can maybe put them, you might want to put one above the other. Again, that's fine as long as they're either in parallel or in series with each other. It should be fine. In fact, I made a wee mistake there, because I noticed I've linked that onto that bulb, which should be coming off that centre bit. So this goes to show you, if you don't pay attention, it ends up incorrect. So good, rectified that now, which I'm glad with. Started seeing that as well, and I thought, oh, doesn't look right. But then there you go. So 2 lamps in parallel and 2 switches in series. You can see I've put them opposite ends here, but they're still in one continuous kind of, they're still linked together via the battery, so it doesn't matter. There's another way you can do that. I mean, you can certainly do it coming off switch, switch, like that if you want. I might even put the bulb battery this way, and then having there, so you can have them still like that, still in series and still in parallel, isn't it? That's a lot of lines in there for that battery even. My apologies. So battery, I might do another video just showing you some of the components here. Lamp and then switch. Okay, I've called that a bulb before, my apologies. So that is it, just really how to sort of sketch out a simple circuit and then maybe using the terminology parallel and series. It does come in useful because these symbols when we come to work out circuits with our series and parallel as well, it becomes even more useful to know what they look like. Alright, and that's it, pretty much. So you can have a go at this and submit the work, and I'll give you some feedback. Thank you very much, and stay safe.